Hey guys, welcome back to another AFI giveaway. This month we chose 4 of you to be represented by one of us in this incredible competition. Our team here at AFI are going to be going head to head, or should I say blade to blade, in a nice friendly axe throwing competition. The rules are very simple. We're going to be throwing axes at a target to see who can hit the highest number. At the end of each round, the person with the highest overall score will move on to the finale. Now, if someone's axe lands on the line in between 2 numbers, the point will go to the highest number. Now let's see whose names got drawn this time. If you didn't see your name, don't worry, we do these every month. So be sure to sign up again and again and again and again, and you get it, there's infinite chances to win. Alright, I think that's all, so let's get this thing started.
What do you think it is? That's a 5. I think it's on the line.
It's a 5.
Oh shoot.
Catch the guys in my family. I'm doing check.
Oh no!
Oh yeah. Hooking it up. A blind squirrel finds a nut in the woods every now and then.
that bullseye. Oh.
Congratulations on the big win, and remember, we do these every single month, so there's infinite chances to win. Be sure to give this video a like, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell, and go follow us on all of our platforms to keep up with all the shenanigans going on here at AFI. We'll see you guys in the next one.